Hello guys, this is Gio, and oula, sorry. We're gonna talk today about the Kaba ExperT Pus, which is a high security lock with dimples, and as you can see on the key, it has a lot of pins. So this is what you get when you look into the keyway. So you see 2 rows of pins on the side, and there is also 2 rows of pins. Maybe you can see them there on the top, on the diagonal there. So 4 rows in total, 22 pins in total, and we have on the left side, right side, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Top right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, and on the left side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. This part is weird here. It's because of the master keying system. I will talk about that later. But yeah, it's a very difficult lock to pick, as you can imagine, and it has some interesting stuff inside. So you will see when I pick it and get it. All right, so now let's get started. And first I'll pick the side pins. They bind first in my lock. Alright, so left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click on 6. Okay, 5 and 4 give me some clicks. It's normal. And alright, I think I set everything I need to set for now. I'll check the right side just in case. Alright. Now let's check the top pins. Left side. Can feel some clicks. Okay, now right side now. My pig is stuck. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to the side pins. Okay, right side. Okay. Let's go back upstairs. Everything seems alright on the left side. No, right side. Oops. think I ever said something. Yeah. Okay. Ah, shit. Those top pins, man. They are definitely the worst thing in this lock. Okay. Okay. Got some clicks here. 2, 3. It's okay. So far we are making some progress. So back to the top pins, just checking. Oops. Sometimes when I push on a pin, I shouldn't be pushing. I can hear maybe 1 or 2 pins dropping. That's annoying. Oh, good click here. Oops. Come on. Okay, this is good. I can feel the core turning a little bit. So far it looks good. Still, I have a problem with the top pins. I am missing something. Don't know why. So I'm trying to push on everything. I hope I won't overset anything or what. Right. The top pins on the left looks good. So maybe it's a problem with the top pins on the right. Ah, fuck. There you go. I overset a little bit. So I think maybe at least 5 pins just dropped. So let's try to get them back on track. Right, I got everything there. On the right, left side, right side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is good. Right. Go back to the top pins. Okay, click. I feel I'm kind of close though, to get this lock open. The pins on the side are good. Yeah, the pins on the sides are set. I think all correctly set, so we are just hanging on the top pins. So now I'm gonna take an SSDev. I will try to probe those top pins, see if they need a little bit of push. Oh, click here. The core turned a little bit, so that means we're getting close. Okay, just checking the side pins one last time, you never know. One, two, three. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Hey, babe. Shit, what? That's weird. One of the side pin just popped out. I don't know why. One, 2, 3. Pin 4 is giving me some trouble here. I don't know why, but it popped out. He was set just before then. All right, it's set now. Okay. Okay, back to top pins. And there we go. Open. Yes. There you go. The lock is open. We were just hanging on top pins, and it's kind of difficult to tell sometimes. So yeah, the core turn. You won't turn it more than that because I've never done that before, and I don't want the pins to fall into the wrong place. So I will lock it back There we go. And we'll proceed to gut it, so you can see what is inside. All right. Hey, I think that's first in the world. The Kaba ExperT has been picked. The video is on YouTube, but the ExperT Plus, this is the ExperT Plus, is a little bit different. There is a slight offset between the, how to say, the side and top pins, which means it's a little bit more difficult to pick the top pins without pushing on the side pins and therefore having a risk to overset them. All right, so I removed this Allen screw with that flat head. Don't really have a choice here. And we'll try to pull the car out. There we go. Alright, so this is how it looks. This is a kind of interchangeable core-ish. So now we need to remove this nice clip here. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. It's coming out. Okay. And now, to gut this lock, I asked Super Llama to make me a custom plug follower. This is the only thing that will work on this lock, and a small hole here allow me to put all the pin backs without just making a mess. Alright, so first let's apply. Come on. And there we go. Perfect. Alright, so first the key pins. Oof. Ah, shit. Yeah, this is kind of starting to fall apart. Alright. So, ah, shit. I'm losing some pins here. It's alright. It's very difficult to lock, to get the first time. Alright, so pin 1. I'm gonna put them there to start. Okay. 1. Come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. I think this goes here. Then 2, 3, 4. Where is the 4? Shit. Where did it go? Oh, I lost some here. Shit. That one goes here. It's kind of a mess. 1, 2. Oops, sorry. Come on. 3, 4, 5. It's a real pain in the butt. I'll put some order into that later. Oops. This goes here. Come on. Yeah, this goes here. All right. So we are missing one. Where is it? Where is it? 2, 3, 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. That's no problem here. All right. So all the 22 pins are here. So 5 here, 10, 6 here, 6 here, 12. So 22. So now let's do the driver pins. Oops, sorry. All right. So 3. Oops. 3, 1. 3, 1, 2. 4. 3. 1. 2. 4. Shit, I lost it. I'll try to find it later. 3. That's a problem with this lock. The pins fly. 1. 2. Oops. Shit. That's a 3. Come on. Oh, I lost. Shit, I'm doing... This is not going well. One. I will try to get those pins back later. 1, 2. Shit. 4. Getting this lock is a giant pain in the ass. Okay. 3. Shit, what the fuck? 1. 2. 4. I think this goes here. I don't know. Right, and 3. and 1. All right. Shit. Come on. There we go. Okay. There we go. I lost 2 driver pin in the process. They are currently on the floor, so I won't lose some time trying to find them. So first, let's focus. All right. So here is the deal with this lock. Why is it so difficult? I'm trying to zoom here. Better. All right. Focus. Now, I don't know if you can see, but those driver pins here are actually T-pins. Focus. Don't know if you can see it. There, you can see it. See, there are T-pins. That means you will basically need to set them twice. So every pin in the lock, once you get a click on it, it's set. You will need to go back to it later on and to set it again. So that's a problem. So only the driver pins that are of the smallest size, so for example that one, don't have any T-pin. So sorry, not that one. That one. Okay, so that one those one are just standard. All right, so this is a first difficulty. So once you picked all the pins at once, you will get into a very slight false set, and that could mean 2 things. Either you are good, you need to pick all the pins once again to get past the T part, or you are fucked because you can sometimes overset the key pins and it kind of feel the same. So for example, let me focus here and show you. So for example, this is how the key pins look. This is too bright there. This is how the key pins look. So you have multiple sizes. So this is a part, this is kind of the spoolie part that you are at risk to overset. Then we get a narrow part and then a small tiny part there that interacts with the dimples in the key. All right. Some of those key pins are even worse. They are, for example, like that one. Like that one. See, they are kind of even more spooled end. So when you overset that one, you feel a counter rotation. So I don't know, you may think this is normal, and then puff, you get back to your normal plug set. But you just overset that stuff, and later on you won't be able to turn the core farther because yeah, the spool is overset. You are fucked. So yeah, depending on the length of the key pin, you get, for example, 1, 2, 3 different diameters. On the very small one, you get only 2, like that one. So 1, 2. All right, and sometime apparently in all Kaba ExperT, or yes, in all Kaba ExperT you will find this kind of key pins which are fat and flat at the end. So this will at all time be completely pushed into the plug. I don't know how to say that, but this flathead won't fit into any cut in the lock. So basically, when you insert the key, that one will be just big full lift pin or whatever. Shit, I'm losing all my lock picking terms. But yeah, so for example, for that one, it sits right here on the key. Shit, the focus is shit again. Come on, focus. There you go. It sits right here, there, at that hole, but it won't fit into that hole, so basically it will be pushed all the way. Alright? Then we have this key pin that has a very weird end. Looks like a nipple. So that's the only one I have which look like this. I don't know why it's like that. So yeah, that's it for the key pins. One last thing, that flat-headed pin. So how does it work? Is that it can be either on the left or right side of the lock, and in order to be pushed by the key, it needs to be on the right side of that little ramp here. You see that? So for example, it will slide on that ramp. However, if it is on the other side here, it won't be pushed up by the key, and the key won't be able to enter the lock. So for example, if I put it here on the left side, normally under normal spring tension the key is able to slide inside, but normally if everything goes right and this is going well, I should not be able to push the key. I am able to. What the fuck? It shouldn't do that. It worked last time. Fuck, it doesn't work. But normally when you have a little bit of spring tension, it will be, yeah, there you go. If you apply a little bit of spring tension, it becomes difficult to insert the key. And this is supposed to work like that, according to the manual. Yeah, but enough talking. This is already a very long video, 30 minutes. So yeah, alright, thank you for watching. This was Kaba ExperT. Very, very, very tough lock. So, thank you for watching. I forgot to show some things, the difference between the Kaba ExperT and the ExperT Plus. So this is how it goes. So this is a plug, and right in front of you are the right side pins, and there are the right top pins. And in the Kaba ExperT, those holes for the top pins are dead square, aligned in between the side pins. So for the side pins here. But apparently in the ExperT Plus there is a slight offset. So that hole is almost above that one. So that's makes it difficult to pick those top pins, because when you are trying with that pick to pick one of those top pins, you are in risk to push on the side pins on the same side, and that's a problem, because you are at risk to push too much and overset it or do something that's not good. In the ExperT it's a little bit easier, I think, because since that hole is dead square in the center, you don't have that much risk to push on either of those, if you see what I mean. Alright, so if you know better than me, just let me know, because that's the only difference I found between the ExperT and the ExperT Plus. Alright.